Hello everyone, if you want your animation, so stickers, emoji, or GIF to move in your chats or not move in your chats, so I'm going to tell you how you do it. It is quite fun when you actually see the difference it is creating in your chats. So you will go to the settings by clicking on three top right corner dots and click on settings, go to the notifications, go to the accessibility area and tap on animation, right? You have to on it now, all the three dots on the right side in front of the names. Now go to the chat options and see these are moving if it is on, but if we are going to off it by going to the same settings area like I'm doing right now, then it will not move. The GIF and stickers are not moving now. The emojis doesn't move usually as well, so we're gonna neglect it, but others are not moving. I'm also sending more stickers and GIF, so you are aware of what is actually happening, what is the difference, right? And if I'm going to on this feature, it is going to move. So it all depends on if you enable or disable this feature. And now that I have on it, you can see it's automatically moving. So if your GIF stickers are not moving, go to this feature and enable it. See you in the next video for more such videos. Ta-da!